Feeling thirsty. Little Slippy here.
Whoa!
Doesn't know whose tail it is.
Why are you always in my basket? There's only enough space for one in here.
Touch her back.
Why are they always touching me?
Wow.
Keep your
What
hands
do
to
you think
yourself.
about that?
This food's so good. Wow. Flavorsome. Dropped a bit, and another.
When you had a whole to-do list planned, but your body had other plans.
What is he looking for?
I ain't going out like that.
I'ma tell Mom you hit me.
She won't believe you.
Watch this.
Mommy, there's a grandma chicken.
Grandma chicken?
Yes.
I'll have you know I'm in my prime. Kids of today, no respect. Could a grandma do this?
I love snacking with you, Mom. Okay, that's one for you, and one for me. Little unfair? Oh, sorry, ignore me. Yes, I was saying snack time's the...
When your dog turns into Hulk smash mode.
Holy...
Love snuggling up with Dad. Want a kiss? I love you, Night.
I'm a tiny butterfly here to say hello. Oh my gosh, he squished me!
Little cranky there. Kisses did the trick.
Keep laughing. You won't be laughing when I beat the world record. How many is that? Jackass.
What just happened?
What? Oh, put in the... What is it?
I don't know. Read the damn note.
Guys, what is it? Oh, what the? Look behind you. What?
What you doing round here, buddy? We don't like your sort round here.
Yeah!
Do you see a cycle lane? We might just have to confiscate this here bicycle, and you can walk the rest of the way.
Just a quick reminder of what I'm capable of. So, where's the fish kept?
Come on! Hurry up! I'm so excited. Make sure it goes far. I'm coming!
He's gone! Look! He's gone!
Cats sleep anywhere.
What do we have here? Not sure about this. It's a threat!
Round and round. Wiggle, wiggle, jiggle.
Broken multiple community guidelines.
And relax.
What am I doing?
I'm gonna be late! Where's my water? Later!
Water. Earth. Fire. Wind.
She better not! Oh no, you didn't! You wait until I catch up with you!
Just leave me alone. I just want me time. Go away.
What just happened? Anyone else's cat do this?
I'm not going! You can rub my back all you want! I will not move! You're gonna have to drag me off here! Help! I'm gonna fall!
Tag, you're in! It wasn't me. Damn! Chill out, I was just playing.
I'm sick of you! Don't even try it!
Shut up!
When you have a dog gamer in the house.
What happened? Oh no, you didn't. You better turn it back on. Right now!
This poor pooch can't get no rest. But wow, how long is this tongue?
Enjoy the video? Click to see more and please subscribe.